Careful though. Careful. 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 Oh. Yucca likes it.
Let me set it back up.
Well, that keeps it from having any rubber.
Put him on his belly. So that way he doesn't roll over and hit his...
It's already left. Like,
You gotta lay him down, honey. You can't do it sitting down. You gotta lay him down.
Careful, careful, careful. There you go.
He's gonna. Ready?
Go slow.
it feels like one of these wrestlers.
Oh my god. So funny.